What's going on, people? It's Richie here, back again with another video. Hope everyone is well, doing well, having a good day. If you're new to my channel, welcome one and all. My name is Richie. I primarily deal with tech and travel, and if that's something that you're definitely into, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get it in. So I recently went to the Power of Video Conference 2019, and let me tell you something, that event was awesome. There is another video coming on that experience, but this video is something different because I found out what some of your favorite YouTubers are using tech-wise to bring awesome content and value to their respective channels. In a segment I would like to call, What You Packin'? So yeah, without further ado, I'm not going to talk too long. I'm going to let these guys tell you what they use. Over to you, Rich. So you're probably wondering, who is this gentleman behind me? He's around here somewhere. He's right here. Mr. Nick Wichman.
Yo!
This guy is super awesome. Tell him why you're super awesome, sir.
Dude, I've had so many reasons. I'm so cool.
Got a quick question for you though.
Yeah.
I like to ask, when it comes to tech, what is your favorite piece of tech?
I don't know. That's a really complex question because I use a lot of things daily. Every single day I use my camera, my mic, my computer is very important. Dongles are important. They suck, but they're important. I don't know. I do appreciate. I made a video about bringing your power strip anywhere you go, and when you're traveling, that's really important because then nothing else works if you don't have that. You know, it's really about the tech that makes your job easier and makes it you flexible for whatever the hell you need to do. That's the stuff that is underrated but needs the attention so we can do what we want to do, you know, with no restrictions.
Oh yeah, one other question as well. Now, some of y'all don't know, this man right here entered in the competition for the Power of Video. And guess what? This guy won. How does it feel, sir?
It feels great, dude. I came from Portland, Oregon, so on the other, basically around the world, and I wanted to come here. I wanted to enter the Creative Comp or Creator Comp, and so I figured that I really wanted to do something that was like interesting and special. The idea was about recycling. The whole Creator Comp was, so I wanted to do a video that was less about the function of recycling, more about the concept of recycling. So I'm really happy that, I don't know, it validates that my ideas aren't terrible, maybe.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Well, Nick, let's just go enjoy the day, shall we?
Yeah, dude. Give me.
Yes, well, I'm here with Mr. Barry.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing, sir?
What's up, Richie?
I'm very good, sir. Now, one question I wanted to always ask you, sir. What is your favorite piece of tech? And in other words, what are you packing?
iPhone 10.
Really?
Yeah, it's I can't live without it. Even though like cameras and everything, it's just something that's always in my pocket.
Okay.
Absolutely love the iPhone. If I had to say something else, I used to really love the Osmo Pocket, but it sucks so much in low light lately. I'm like, oh, it's awful.
I totally agree.
Yeah, but yeah, iPhone. It has made my life and ruined my life. So literally, even the simplest thing of just YouTube comments, so the studio app, like throughout the day, it's like comments pop, so you don't need a laptop or a desktop to do it. It just makes life that bit easier. That said, on the other side, it is also the worst possible thing because, you know, you kind of get muscle memory in your routine and you're watching TV and my wife is like, why are you on your phone? And then 2 minutes later, I'm like, why are you on your phone? And she's like, oh, I'm just on Instagram. Like, we're trying to watch this together. What are you doing? So in that sense, it's the worst. And just between me and you, you're not going to show this to nobody, right?
Maybe.
My worst habit, and I've tried so hard to get out of this, is when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do, I don't get up and go to the toilet, I reach out and I pick up my phone.
Right, we're here with the gentleman from Sigma. What is your name, sir?
Hi there, I'm Sam from Sigma.
How you doing, Sam?
I'm very well.
Right, question I like to ask is, what are you packing, brother?
So today we are packing some of our new lenses.
Okay.
So we brought our new L mount system. So we got our 14 to 24 2.8 L mount. We do our 45mm 2.8 L mount, and then we've got our brand new 35 1.2 L mount as well. this one's quite special to us. So this is our first 1.2 we've ever done. So we're used to the 1.4 system within our normal range, but now because of we're just doing mirrorless systems on these, we've got L and E mount native, which allows us to get 1.2 elements after blades inside this. Very clever. So we've also added a deep-link iris, which can also be clipped. So for your videographers out there, so you can actually do a slow ramp of the iris, which is cool. So if you're going indoors, outdoors, you just want a subtle change in tone, you're good. As I said, all of these are L-mount natively currently because we're doing our alliance with Panasonic, Leica and ourselves, where we share the same mount system. But this is what we're packing today.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you very much, sir.
All right, thank you.
Awesome creator. Who are you?
Hey guys, my name is Lila and I create videos about creating better videos, basically.
Sounds good. Now, question. What are you packing tech-wise?
I'm not really a gearhead, so basically what I packed was my A7 III, my Rode Pro, not the Pro Plus. I have an ND filter, it's Hoya, and my little 3K Gorilla Pod, I believe, and that's about it.
Awesome. Well, you know what? I hope you enjoy the rest of the day, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Another awesome creator. Who are you, my dear?
So I'm Emily, so I'm the mom behind Cupcake Surprise Toys, Elaine and Clara's channel.
Awesome. Now, my dear, I gotta ask you now, please don't take offense to this, but what are you packing for your tech?
Okay, so what I'm packing is a GH4, GH5 Panasonic cameras with super lenses. We also have Zoom audio, we have Sennheiser mics for mobile, and we also use the Pocket Osmo DJI. Really great stuff.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for letting me know what you are packing.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I'm here with another awesome content creator. Who are you, sir?
Hi, my name is Jared. I'm a photographer and videographer, and I'm from the Republic of Ireland.
Awesome. Now, you know, obviously coming to the power of video, I'd like to ask you one simple question. Tech-wise, what are you packing?
What am I packing? Always the trusty A7 III's. Love my 85mm 1.8. And then I brought a 24 to 105 just for a bit of extra range. I don't know what I get into, so I want a bit of range. And sometimes, like this trip, I have actually brought my 5D Mark III as well, which I prefer for photos, and my trusty 35mm 1.4, which is the most beautiful lens I own.
Awesome. We're here with another awesome content creator. We're here at the Power of Video 2019. So, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Pete. I'm from Northern Ireland, and this is what I do, a little bit of vlogging.
Okay, so you vlog. Now, question is, what are you packing?
I use the Canon M50. The reason why I use the Canon M50 is because it's easy to use. I can go straight to the M, which I know this guy behind the camera is hating. But that's what I use. The autofocus on it is really fast for the face detection is brilliant, and it just makes life a lot easier for me. That, and it's light to carry around, so if you are vlogging, to be able to go like that and hold it out there and hold it steady, it's just a lot easier.
Awesome. Whoa, and we're here and we're back and we're here with the legends in the game. Sir, introduce yourself.
I'm Chris Rogers. I am a travel and action sports filmmaker from Cape Town, South Africa, and I spend most of the year traveling around the world working with some of the craziest athletes on the planet.
Right, question, what are you packing tech-wise?
What am I packing tech-wise? My go-to camera is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I shoot on most trips with about 3 or 4 of them, and for my vlogging behind the scenes shots, when I'm talking like this to the camera, I have the Sony a7S III with a 16 to 35 2.8G master. I use that honestly 5% of the time. If I'm on the GoPro for vlogging, sometimes I use the Rode directional mic with the GoPro. I use the Rode mic Mini, the setup. This is my GoPro vlog setup. This is a nice rig. I need to get one of these as well. This is the mic I have. It's a great vlogging setup. Thank you. And I put that mic on my Sony, and then I also use the DJI Mavic Pro 2 for all my drone shots. And then, you know, we've got a bunch of different GoPro accessories from G-Dome for water shots. We've got that air video for the throwing torpedo shots.
So to say the least, you are packing.
Packing for sure.
Yeah, man. Well, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, man.
So I'm here with my man, Jared. And I'd like to ask you one question, sir. What are you packing, sir?
I've got the Sony a7 III with the 24 to 105 G Master f4.
Okay.
I'm rocking the Rode VideoMic Pro.
Okay. And that's what you're packing for your trips, yes?
That is the only camera I brought with me.
Awesome, man. Right. Hey, dude.
What's up, dude? You want to know about my gear?
Well, I want to know what you packing.
What I'm packing. All right. So this is a Joby GorillaPod 3K Pro.
Okay.
This is a Voigtlander 10.5mm f0.95, which I'm very proud of. It is full manual, so leave the hate in the comments. Then this is a Panasonic GH5, which is like, I've been using it forever, and it's got some battle scars on it. It's a tank of a camera. This is a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus with the dead cat on there, and that's my that. Then I got this iPhone 10, and then this Brevity bag, and then I got one more lens in there.
Okay.
That was Olympus 12 to 40.
Okay, well, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, dude, you got it.
So yeah, guys, a big thank you to all the cool content creators who ended up in the video. A big thank you to you. It is much appreciated. It is very surprising what some of the YouTubers use. Some use Panasonics. One guy uses a GoPro, one uses a Canon, one uses a Sony. It's really up there for debate what you use. It doesn't matter. As long as you make awesome content and tell a good story at the same time, that is the general consensus. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button. Give me a like if you like this video. If you dislike it, hey, give me a dislike too. It's all good. I gotta learn some way, shape or form anyhow. And without further ado, my name is Richie, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.